This is Zara Beauty Recipe. You're welcome. I will be showing you how to make vitamin C skin toner. It makes the skin glow. It removes black spots and wrinkles, giving you a young, fresh look. First, you get an orange like this one and wash the back very clean. I have peeled my orange. You can see the orange peel here because this is what we are going to use for the next step. All we need and all our concern is the orange peel. Put the orange peel in a pot and then add a glass of water to it. And then boil it for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes of boiling, I'm going to take it off the fire and allow it to get cold. And then sieve the water out. Here we have our facial toner. And finally, our vitamin C facial toner is in a spray bottle. And for how to use this vitamin C facial or skin toner, you spray on your face like this. You spray it, preferably in the night when you're not going under the sun. You can spray on your face, allow it to get dry, and sleep with it and wash your face in the morning. Vitamin C is a potent of antioxidants that prevents the skin from free radicals. It makes your skin smooth, it removes black spots, and makes your skin wrinkle free. It gives you a very bright look. Your face will be toned, it will look bright, and you will look young and beautiful. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please watch our other interesting videos on hair and beauty tips, and follow our Facebook page also at Zara Beauty Recipe. Thank you.